Hello everybody, my name is Philip Blake from the Philip Blake Moss channel, and on today, I'm really excited to show you Thomas and Friends King of the Railway, the movie, Blu-ray DVD combo pack. I have finally got this from Amazon. I think it was like $12, well plus tax it was like $13, and I forgot how many cents it was, but it was $13 and something cents. But yeah, King of the Railway. I had this on DVD, but I want to get rid of the DVD because I want the Blu-ray compact of the movie. Here's the spine. And this one had no slipcover whatsoever, but it looks pretty nice. And this is the only Thomas Blu-ray I need to complete my collection. And now I have the whole collection, and I'll show you that later. So let's open this up. Oh, that was pretty hard to. Oh, and it's just the glue it's glued to the spine, this part, which I don't like about it. I don't like how the plastic is glued on the spine. Yeah, I don't like that. It kind of frustrates me. So let's open the security device. See if I can get it open. I don't want to rip the... Yeah, I don't want to rip anything. Oh, there we go. That was easy. So let's get the security device off. And this up top as well. Get this out. Oh, this is... Okay, let me just try to rip it. Oh, there we go. This is taking me a while. There we go. I don't want to break the Blu-ray case. And so, here we go. But before we show the discs, here is this like registration for like a magazine. I bet that's like expired or something because this movie was released back in 2013. But we have a nice booklet with the King of the Railway releases. Let's check it out. The Mega Blocks, the Thomas Friends Engine Activities, and no, not Engine Activities, just some Thomas and Friends app you can get from the App Store. Books, Wind Railway, Take and Play, and Trackmaster. And Little Big Club. There we go. And so there's no digital HD with this, but we got some pretty nice artwork. Let me show you. There's the DVD artwork, and this is the Blu-ray artwork right here. And I'm happy that we get two different artworks, one for Blu-ray and one for DVD, which is pretty awesome. Now I'm going to show you my complete Thomas and Friends Blu-ray collection that I have, showing you off one by one. So let's start off with Miss Down Rescue. And I'm also going to show you like the discs inside. Day of the Diesels. There's the Blu-ray and DVD. Blue Mountain Mystery. Oh, the DVD's upside down. King of the Railway, which I already showed you before. Tale of the Brave. I tried the digital HD, but it was expired, so don't bother trying to use the digital HD. So there was Legend of the Lost Treasure. Really great movie. And this one, and it came with the slip cover. Blu-ray and DVD. Oh, here we go. And The Great Race. And it also came with the slip cover. Same thing. So yeah, I have the complete Thomas Blu-ray collection. And I don't know if Big World, Big Adventure is going to be on Blu-ray, but I don't know, we shall see. So I finally have the complete Thomas Blu-ray collection. Yay! I'm excited. So I tried out all these Thomas Blu-rays. I haven't tried King of the Railway yet because I just got it. So these movies do not work on my Blu-ray player. I mean, the disc works perfectly, and but the Blu-ray player's like really making me upset because it doesn't play all the Blu-rays movies that I have. So yeah, I really wanted that. Yeah, I really want like a 4K Ultra HD HDR TV and a 4K Region Free player. That way I could play whatever Blu-ray and DVD I want. But this one right here, Soto's Legend of the Lost Treasure, it works on this Blu-ray player. I tried all of them. These movies right here, they don't work, sadly, but this one does on my Blu-ray player. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll work on anyone's Blu-ray player, but this one, I think the Blu-ray player I have right now is pretty terrible, but because it doesn't play all the Blu-rays that I have, yeah. But hopefully I'll get like a better Blu-ray player, like a Region Free player, yeah. But anyways, this has been my video of King of the Railway and my complete Thomas Blu-ray collection. So, see you all next time. Bye!